you by thesis123.com. I learn and teach online.
Here's the next question, number 4. The Laplace transform of f of t equals 2 into root of t by pi is s to the power of minus 3 by 2. And the Laplace transform of g of t equals root of 1 by pi t is, well, we have our 4 options. Now, when the question gives us the Laplace transform of a certain function and asked us to find the Laplace transform of a different function, that should give you a clue. Then there should be some sort of relation between the two functions given. So take a minute and try to observe f of t and g of t and see in what way they can be related. Now, if you'll notice that if you differentiate f of t, you will obtain g of t. Let's take a look at that. So we have been given f of t, right? So we have f of t equals to root t by pi. Let's differentiate this, f dash t. So what happens here? We have 2 divided by root pi, which is the constant. We will have to only differentiate root t. So root t is 1 divided by 2 root t. The derivative of root t is 1 by 2 root t. This gives us 1 divided by root pi t. Or in other words, it can also be written as root of 1 by pi t. And notice that this is g of t, which means f dash t equals g of t. Now we can use a Laplace formula. Now the Laplace transform formula, let's use this. Laplace of f dash t. We are supposed to find out the Laplace transform of g of t, right? So the Laplace transform of g of t is the Laplace transform of f dash of t. So we have a standard formula for the Laplace transform of a derivative function. So the formula is Laplace of f dash t equals s into Laplace of f of t minus f of 0. So this is our formula. Now let's see how we can substitute the values and work it out. So the Laplace transform of g of t is the Laplace transform of f dash of t. So the first thing is s into, the formula says Laplace of f of t. Laplace of f of t is already given to us in the question as s to the power of minus 3 by 2, right? S to the power minus 3 by 2 minus f of 0. Now what's f of 0? 2 into root of t by pi. So t is 0 by pi, which is 0. So we have here s into s to the power of minus 3 by 2. So s into s power minus 3 by 2 is s to the power of minus 1 by 2. This is s power 1. So 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is our final answer, s to the power of minus 1 by 2. And that matches option B. Well, this is the entire solution. I hope it has helped.
Thank you for watching this video. For future videos, please click here to subscribe YouTube channel. Visit our site thesis123.com for free student project or research ideas and online training. Follow us Facebook, Twitter, Google+ and Pinterest.